These are solar-powered tombstone lights. I ordered these solar lights, and they're gutter solar lights from eBay. As you can see, you get like 4 in a pack for like 13 bucks, somewhere around there. Now, I got the white ones because they were cheaper, and then I just figured I'd spray paint them. You can order them in black. And then this just showing where I taped it off and spray painted them black. And then the stake, just use a pair of pliers and straighten it out. And that way you have a stake to stick it in the ground. And then I used a pair of tin snips and just cut a point on the end so it would go in the ground easier. Now there was a little light coming out around the side, so I just took some black electrical tape and taped around it. This is the sheets that I ordered. You can get these from eBay in any color you want your lights to be. I chose blue because I just like the blue glow on my tombstones. And then just trace around the light, cut a circle out. And I just used black electrical tape to tape it to the front of it. Add your stake. Put it in the ground and let it charge. And every night, the light will automatically come on with no cords, no batteries, no turning it on and off. And it looks great.